Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. I am back with the deals to grab this week in Walgreens. We're gonna head in and try to catch everything we can. The goal, Moneymaker mascara, cheap toilet paper, this is the last week to grab it, and Moneymaker toothpaste are the really big ones that you don't wanna miss this week. So let's head in and go shopping. There's always deals to grab on detergent. This week, you've got two choices. All detergent is on sale for $2.88. We've got $1 coupons. That's gonna make it $1.88. No rewards here, just using coupons. So not a bad price. Or you could go with Tide. So Tide is part of a larger points reward by, can't even remember, by $20 worth, and you're gonna get 5,000 points back. And that's like $5. Now remember, that's $20 before coupons. So we've got Tide $2 off coupons here. And there's a lot of other things that are part of this promotion. So not just Tide, you could grab everything from diapers to paper towels, toilet paper, mix or match, and make this deal what you want it to be if those are your brands that you're looking for. It's not the best deal that we see. What we're really aiming for is that 30% mark, where we see like buy $30 and get $10 back in rewards. This is buy 20 and get 5. So it's really a 20% reward back, but still a decent price if you want Tide. So go Tide or go all, whichever one you want, but that's your detergent deal this week. This is the last week to get all of the month-long deals. Now, I did those in a video a few weeks back, but there is a great deal on toilet paper and paper towels for Scott brand using the coupon in the monthly flyer. So you grab these $5 packs of Scott Comfort Plus or Scott paper towels, grab your monthly booklet of coupons, and you've got a $1.25 off store coupon in that monthly booklet. So once I pair in the monthly coupon with the manufacturer's coupon, I'm gonna have Scott paper towels, Scott toilet paper for $3 and really like $3.25 a pack after those coupons. That's a great price. So we see this deal almost every month in some form or fashion. This is this month's deal. Can't guarantee that it'll be back next month, but if you need toilet paper or paper towels, this is the cheapest price to grab this week. Grab your Sunday coupons, because this past Sunday we got coupons for completely free Febreze plugs and Glade warmers. Both brands. Febreze plugs are on sale this week, and that coupon that you got is for $3 off, so completely free here. The Glade warmer also going to be completely free after the coupon. So that is actually any store, not necessarily Walgreens, but fun that Walgreens has them on sale to go with the coupon that you just got. So you can score 3 tubes of free Crest toothpaste this week thanks to coupons that we just got in Sunday's paper, or check your Walgreens app, because there are a number of digital coupons that you could load here too, for $4 off of 2 Crest toothpastes, $2 off of 1. No matter how you slice this, this is gonna be a moneymaker. Now my store does not have this tagged on most types. They have it tagged way down here on the bottom on 1, but it's most of the smaller Crest 3D Whites and Pro Health. Their regular price is $3.59. They're on sale this week for $2.99. When you grab 3 of them, you are gonna get a $7 register reward. So let's do the math. Let's just round up to, for easy math, grab 3 at $3 a piece, that's $9. You're gonna get back a $7 reward. Guys, we got a $2 coupon in Sunday's paper. 1 coupon makes these completely free, but you're allowed to use a coupon on each one of them. So keep adding in those coupons. Get the Sunday paper and the $2 off. It's a limit of 2. Load a digital, however you mix and match this, use at least 2 coupons, and this is a moneymaker. So you should grab it even if Crest isn't your brand. It's a moneymaker. So it's good on Crest 3D White, Crest Pro Health. This is not a hard one to find. So my store doesn't have it tagged, but guys, it's right on the front page of the weekly ad. So even if your store doesn't have it tagged, just grab a couple, do a price match, make sure you have the right items, grab your coupons from the Sunday paper, load your digitals. This is a fun moneymaker. And free toothpaste, so add it to your list. So we grabbed a number of fun deals. There's definitely things to get. It's the end of the month, so a few that I didn't re-record, but you could go and grab, watch the video that we did a few weeks ago. You've still got Moneymaker, Burt's Bees, or free, sorry, not Moneymaker, because you're making a penny, Burt's Bees children's toothpaste, if you can find it in your store. So it's the end of the month. It's been free all month long. So you get where I'm going there. Possibly not in your store, but at least look for it. And I'll tell you, the few Walgreens that I've been to over the course of the month, it is always on the bottom of the shelf. So look at the bottom, that's where all kids' toothpaste is. But it's completely free with a digital coupon. Now, the deals that we grabbed today, there was one more that I was hoping to show you in the store, but my store did not sell Almay makeup. So if your store has Almay makeup, this is a fun money maker. So this is in the weekly ad. Almay and Revlon mascara are on sale, 2 for $10. Let's see if I can hold this up. 2 for $10, and you get back a $5 reward. Well, the sweet part is we've got an overlapping reward again this week. Just like we had on Revlon lipstick a few weeks ago, now we have that same overlapping deal on Almay mascara. And you still have those $3 off coupons. They expire this weekend, so hopefully you can use them up. Don't miss the deal because it's a big $4 moneymaker if your store sells Almay. So head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, and the coupons that you need for the Almay deal, and to kind of explain the Almay deal in the list. You can't miss it. It is part of all of the deals that are on the list. So when I say go to the list, you'll be able to make your own shopping list, guys, and see all the coupons that are available for each of the deals that I mentioned. So it can't really get any easier than this. Hopefully these deals kind of broken down make a little bit more sense for you. If you can grab a few of the money makers, you may not love Crest toothpaste. I'm not a huge Crest girl, but if you are gonna pay me a ton of money after 3 coupons to buy Crest toothpaste, I am gonna buy it. Guys, it's like a $5 moneymaker if you're using coupons on each tube. So I used a digital 4 off 2, and I used one paper $2 off coupon. That's $6 off. It's basically $9 in toothpaste. So you're gonna pay $3. You're getting back a $7 reward. So it's a $4 moneymaker on toothpaste. So this is what I turned around and used it on. Almonds. This is another deal. I didn't record it in the store, but almonds this week, the 1-pound bags of almonds are on sale for $5.99, and we have coupons from the Sunday paper for $1 off. So it makes this 1-pound bag $4.99. Well, I basically had a moneymaker from all my toothpaste. So I used that $7 reward that printed from the toothpaste to buy toilet paper and almonds. And we're coming out barely paying anything. So that's why we do the deals. You may not love moneymaker mascara, moneymaker toothpaste, but it's paying for the other things that you want or need. So always think about the drugstores in that sense. It's part of playing the game, and hopefully this makes sense and it'll start to click for you. Keep the deals small if you're brand new. Don't go overboard, or you're gonna get really frustrated. And be careful, a lot of folks are reporting issues this week with digital coupons not working in Walgreens. So just be patient. Definitely don't put a ton on the counter. That way you can catch if your digital coupons did not work correctly. So for me, I just bought the toothpaste, and then I turned around and just bought toilet paper and my almonds. So hopefully you can head into the store this week and grab these deals. They're all good through Saturday night, August 31st. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe so you can catch next week's deals and all of the new month-long deals that will be running for September. Again, thanks for watching.